Hiking in London Club. Are you looking for an exciting activity that allows you to enjoy nature and explore new panoramic views? Then hiking is for you. Last weekend, a group of experienced hikers explored the coast from Ramsgate to Margate, passing through Broadstairs and Botany Bay, and enjoyed an exciting hike that allowed them to appreciate the natural beauty of the Kent coast. From stunning sea views to majestic cliffs, the hike offered a unique and unforgettable experience for all participants. One of the highlights of the trip was the stop at Kingsgate Bay Beach, a true hidden gem on the coast, with its golden sand and crystal clear waters. In addition, Kingsgate Castle and the impressive cliffs surrounding the area added a magical touch to the landscape. Without a doubt, this stop was a unique opportunity to take a well-deserved break and take some impressive photos that will remain in memory forever. After a pleasant walk along the coast, the group arrived in Margate, where the beach was full of people enjoying the sun and live music. Local food was also an important part of the experience, and the group enjoyed delicious fresh fish in one of the many restaurants in the area. In summary, hiking is an exciting activity that offers a unique opportunity to explore nature, enjoy stunning views, and experience local culture and food. There is no better way to spend a weekend than with a hike along the Kent coast. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your hiking boots and join the next adventure.